In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Gmail notifications are not working on your Android phone. So to fix this, first open the Gmail app. Now here tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and then select settings. Now here you will need to tap on general settings. Now in this menu, you will need to tap on this manage notifications option. So this will take you to your Android's notification settings. Here make sure that the allow notifications is turned on and make sure you have enabled all these options as well. Once you have done this, tap on this notification categories and make sure all these toggles are also turned on. Now go back to the previous menu and then select configure in Gmail. So this will take you to your Gmail settings. Now select the account for which notifications are not working. So I'll just select that. Now here you will need to tap on notifications and make sure you have selected this all option. Now tap on cancel. Now what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on inbox notifications. Now here select this select notify for every message. Now go to your home screen, open the quick settings panel and then make sure the power saving mode is not enabled on your Android phone, as it can sometimes cause notifications to stop working. So make sure to do that. Now long press on the Gmail app and then tap this info icon that appears. Now here you will need to scroll down and then tap on mobile data. Now here make sure this allow background data usage and allow data usage while data saver is on is enabled. So make sure both these toggles are enabled. Now go back and then tap on battery. Now here select optimized or unrestricted. Now go back to the previous menu, tap on storage and then tap the clear cache option. Once you do this, Gmail notifications should work on your Android phone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.